going to show how Logstream can route different versions of the SNMP protocol to a different Kafka topics. To set up the demo, I selected data sources in Logstream. I went to data gen and I created two new data gens, one that generates SNMP v3 type of logs. Let's enable that. And the other one that generate SNMP v2c traps logs. And so those two are now generating SNMP traps. Also, for this demo, I created a destination, and the destination is called Kafka SNMP topics. As you can tell, I pointed Logstream to the appropriate IP and port of my Kafka instance, and I gave it a default topic called Quick Start Events. However, in the pipeline, we're actually using this feature where you can override the topic that we're going to send the events to using the underscore topic out field. And so this is an important notion that whatever topic we picked here is just the default, and we're going to actually send the events to a different topic. The next part of this demonstration is the things that we see in the routes, where we filter out events that start with data gen SNMP. So both the SNMP v2 and v3 will come to this route, and from there we are going to send the event to the SNMP trap pipeline. I'll show it to you in a second. And finally, we send the data to the Kafka SNMP topic destination. So let's go into the SNMP trap pipeline. And also, let's bring in some sample data. So what we can see in this pipeline is that if the version of the SNMP falls into SNMP v2c, it will go to underscore topic out. It will go to the appropriate Kafka topic. And if it's SNMP version 3, it will go to a different Kafka topic. And finally, we can see that I also leveraged the Logstream drop to illustrate how we can drop some SNMP events based on the var binds value. And in this case, I have quite a few examples of var binds, and I chose, just for the sake of this example, to drop var binds that includes this particular value. And so this is a good illustration that you can route events to an appropriate Kafka topic, as well as drop SNMP events altogether. As we can see, there is definitely data is flowing through the source, through the route to this pipeline, and we can see there is definitely a difference between the number of events coming in versus the number of events are going out. And so we can see data routing and data reduction in this particular example. And finally, just to validate that events made it to the appropriate Kafka topic, let's take a look at the command line. First, let's take a look at the SNMP events that landed in the SNMP v2c topic. Takes a few seconds for the client to connect to the Kafka server, and we can see those events with the SNMP V2C indeed landed in the correct topic. And now let's see if the same thing happened to the SNMP version 3 type of events. And as we can see, this is also behaved exactly as we expected, where each topic got the correct type of events.